Okay. Hi, boys and girls. Now that you have finished page 19 in your math journal, we're going to turn to page 20. Thanks for your hard work today. So turn to the next page, put a 20 at the bottom. And today we're going to talk about some addition strategies. So at the top, with your neatest writing, I want you to write addition strategies. And then go ahead and just underline that in a yellow crayon or a crayon that's like yellowish. Okay, just underline it. Now, what is a strategy? We're going to talk about addition strategies. What's a strategy?
Yes. You could you could count with your fingers. That's a strategy.
That's a strategy. The word strategy, okay, a strategy is simply just a way to solve something, okay? So we're going to write that down. A strategy is a way to solve something. And we're going to talk about different things that we can do to quickly solve our addition facts. So a strategy is a way to solve something. Then underline that word strategy with your red crayon. You'll probably see this on a test, so you'll want to make sure that you're paying attention. A strategy is a way to solve something. Make sure that sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Okay. Then I'm going to skip a line and we're going to put another number 1, because our first strategy that we're going to talk about is just knowing your doubles. So I'm going to write doubles. I'm using all capital letters. Doubles. And when we have our doubles facts memorized, that helps us to memorize other facts. So our doubles facts are like 4 plus 4 equals 8. Or 100 plus 100 equals what? 200. So doubles facts are simply where two addends are the exact same number. My favorite is 7 plus 7 equals 14. We're going to be underlining all of our strategies in blue. So I'm going to underline doubles in blue. And with these, you just kind of have to memorize them. I'm going to skip a line now, and I'm going to put a 2 because we're going to learn about another strategy. You might have heard this one before, but this is just called doubles plus 1. Raise your hand if you've heard of that one before. Great. Doubles plus 1. We're going to underline it in our blue. So in doubles plus 1, the second addend is 1 higher than the first addend. So an example of a doubles plus 1 would be 4 plus 5 equals 9. You're going to put a box around that 5. Okay, because the second addend, all right, the 5 is 1 higher than the first addend. Okay. So one number larger than the first addend. You'll notice the second addend is. So what you do is you think in your head, well, I know 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 plus 4 plus 1 more is 9. So in your brain, you're thinking so you think in your brain, think 4 plus 4 plus 1 equals 9. So we have a doubles plus 1. So that's doubles plus 1. Can anybody else give me a doubles plus 1 fact?
8 plus 9.
Yep, 8 plus 9. So if we have 8 plus 9, we'd think 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Yeah. So another example would be, we can write that down. 8 plus 9 is 17. So we think in our head, so we think 8 plus 8 plus 1. So if you know your doubles facts, it's a really helpful tool. So then I can think, okay, 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So in the doubles plus 1, the second addend is always 1 number higher than the first addend. So that's doubles plus 1. Hit pause if you need to get caught up. And then we're going to move on to page 21 quickly. So turn your page to page 21. Make sure you only turn one page. Okay. Then we've talked about doubles, and we've talked about doubles plus 1. So our third strategy is doubles minus 1. Doubles minus 1. And with this strategy, it has minus in it, so don't let that confuse you. But we have our second addend is 1 less than the first addend. So we could have 4. Oh, I forgot to underline it in blue. So underline doubles minus 1 in blue. So with this strategy, let's say I have 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay. Put a box around the 4. And with this strategy, our second addend is 1 less than the first addend. So 1 less than first addend. So with this one, I think 5 plus 5 equals 10, but then I have to minus 1 to equal 9. I know that's kind of a long equation, but hopefully that makes sense. And who wants to give me another example of a doubles minus 1? Doubles minus 1.
5 plus 3.
So we've already done 5 plus 4. So remember, the second addend is 1 less than the first addend.
7 plus 6.
Oh, 7 plus 6. Great one. So let's write that down. So we'd have 7 plus 6. So we're going to put a box around. And so in our head, we're going to think 7 plus 7 minus 1. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay. So think, I'm running out of time here, so I'm going to have to hurry. 7 plus 7 equals 14, but then minus 1 equals 13. So go ahead and finish that up. We'll talk about our fourth strategy another day.